Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse and yoga teacher, and you can learn more about the work I do and how I can help you in your wellness journey on my website, emilydarty.com. Today, I want to share with you an honest review about this amazing machine that I got. It's called the FLYBIRD ab machine, and it's from FEDfitness. They sent me this in the mail in exchange for an honest review, and I'll be honest, I have had this baby for about a week now, and I've completely fallen in love with it. I was a little bit skeptical at first, but I found that I can get a full body workout in as little as 10 minutes on this machine. So I thought today I'm going to show you how I adjust it and how you can adjust it and make this work for you. So take a look here. So for starters, it's a very simple machine. It just uses physics to strengthen your core. It's very reasonably priced. In fact, FEDfitness is having a huge Black Friday sale going from November 20th through December 1st of 2025. You can get up to 25% off of this ab machine. So definitely check it out. You can look at the links below and get yours there. So for starters, you can see there's a little pin here where we can adjust the intensity. So making it a little bit more hard. I have it on the lowest setting because I've tried it on the higher settings and it's just a little bit too much for me. So I took the pin out, and you can make this as high or as low as you want. So 4 different settings, and then you just slide that pin back in there. Make sure it goes all the way across. There we go. And see how you can make it higher. Let me show you how this works. So it's simple, like I said, simple fitness. We're gonna bring our knees into the little pads here. Hands are gonna come up here. Pull up and release. And I have another video. In fact, I'm planning on making some more where we go through a full body fitness routine. So there's a lot of other exercises you can do on this baby. I would suggest taking a look at my other videos, and I can show you more about that. So that's one way to adjust it. And then you can also adjust it down here to make it even higher, even more intense. It says to adjust, loosen, then pull. So let's see. So we're gonna loosen it up. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this out and show you. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings here. Just slide it in here. Put it on setting, it looks like 5. And then you just got this knob. Slide it in there. Wind up, make sure it's good. Give it a little pull, make sure it's safe here. I'm gonna slide this around. So this is almost the highest setting. It can go 2 more settings higher than this. And let me show you what this looks like. So we're gonna come up onto this. Whew. Pull and release. Nice job. Nice. Let me show you a different move that you can try. So keep one knee where it is, extend the other leg. Give it a big reach and release. Just making that adjustment. I can definitely feel it in my lower body, for sure my core and my upper body's engaged. Nice job. And of course you would want to do the other side. I suggest trying this for maybe 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and you're gonna get a solid workout with it. So this is the FLYBIRD ab machine by FEDfitness. Go ahead and check out their Black Friday sales in the links below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. New workouts come out each week, and I'll see you again. Take good care. Bye-bye.